gonna crack my neck because it really hurts, so let me crack it. Wow, that was loud. Check out part 2 for, what's it called again? Cracking my arm, my legs.